Jumble between number 15.
Hey, señor.
And number 1. Espera. May problema kung...
Esperamos entonces a que arranque la tablet.
May balot, may lupa. Ay.
Vale. Jumble between number 15 and number 1. Nakuha number 9. Number 28. Set up play. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 16. Number 16. 3 points by number 16. Number 24. Set up play. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Pass 10 seconds to shoot. Number 30. No good. Number 28. Set up play. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 25. Number 25. 2 points. Number 24, set up play, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 7, Ventura. Ventura nakakuha ng paus pa rep. Number 16. Number 16, first personal foul. Two shot by number 7, Ventura. First throw. First throw is good. Second throw. Basket is good. 2 points by number 7, Ventura. Number 16, pass to number 28. Number 16, pass to number 25. Number 25, naghanap ng papasahan. Offensive foul by number 25. Number 25, first personal foul, 17 foul. Score 5-2 in favor of Asador. Number 24, set up play, pass to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 24, pass to number 30, back to number 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1, set up play, Tumira. No good, nakuha number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 9. Number 9, Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha number 28. Number 28 nagmamadali. Number 28 tumalaksak. No good again. Nakuha ni number 15. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Set a play. Pass to number 30. 15. Tumira ng 3. No good again. Nakuha ni Ventura. Pass to number 24. Time remaining. 7 minutes. Number 24. Atake. Basket is good. Number 28, first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shot by number 24. Bonus shot. Betul. 5-4. 4 na yan. 4 na yung Bilao. Number 28. Set up play. Pass to number 9. Time remaining. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Tumira. No good. Nako na Ventura. Number 24. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 28. Number 28. No good. Out of bounds. Time remaining. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 9. Matake, 10 to shoot. No good. 6. No good again. Nakuha number 25. Nakuha ni Ventura. Who's foul rep? Number 9. Foul. Dale. Number 9. First personal foul. Asador, warning for penalty. Score 5-4.
Arnedo.
In favor of Asador. Pass to number 30. Number 30, set a play. Pass to number 24. Number 24, naghanap ng papasahan. Number 24, pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. No good, good. Number 15. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ulit number 28. Pass to number 16. Number 16. 10 to shoot. Double dribble. Ang tawag ng referee. Time remaining 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Number 24. Number 24 set up play. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 30. Number 30 atake. Tumira. 2 points by number 30. Time remaining 5 minutes. Number 16. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Atake. 2 points by number 9. Number 28. Matake. Number 28. Number 28. Pinasakay number 1. Number 1. Number 1. 2 points. Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Atake. No good. Nakuha number 25. Number 25. Nakakuha ng foul. Look for it. 28. Cambio.
Hindi kilala ng coach.
Number 28, first personal foul, first team foul. Ay cambio, vale? First shot, no good. Second throw. No good again. Nakuha number 1. Number 1, nagmamadali. Matake. Pass to number 30. Nakuha number 25. Number 25. Falta. 30. Number 30, first personal foul, second team foul. Bilao. Number 3, set a play. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to number 9. Number 9, tumukol ng 3. Number 9, 3 points. Number 24, nagmamadali. Pass to number 7. Number 3.
Reserve. Hi, papi.
Number 3, pass to number 11, pass to number 9. Pass to number 25, Iron Man, Falta, Usman Rep, number 7. Number 7, first personal foul, third team foul. Asador penalty, vale? Number 3, set a play. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number Palta. Number 13, first personal foul, warning for penalty, Bilao. Number 15, 2 shots, first throw. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Score 10-9 in favor of Asador. Second throw. Basket is good. Falta 11. Number 11, first personal foul. First throw. Basket is good. Hay cambio, ¿vale? Second throw. Basket is good again. Cambio. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Number 3, set a play. Number 3, set a play. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 77. Pass to number 1. Number 1 tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound to number 9. Pass to number 1. Number 3, set a play. 10 to shoot. Traveling. Nagtawag ng referee. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Score. All 11. Number 30. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Umatake. Pass to number 1. No good. Nakuha number 77. 77. Pass to number 3.
Isa.
Number 9. Number 9. Second personal foul. No good. Ay cambio, one bali.
Cambio. Reserve lang.
Second throw. No good again. Nakuha number 15. Pass to number 1. Set a play. Number 1 set a play. Pass to number 15. 1 minute. 2 points by number 77.
Bisa.
¿Notas los signos de la edad en tu piel? Nuevo nivel reduce la entidad 2 en 1. Reduce visiblemente las manchas y arrugas para una piel de aspecto más joven en solo 2 semanas.
Tiempo. Time out. Bilao. Coach ng Asador. Coach ng Asador. Asador.
Sam, 23. Dito nga tayo, pre.
1 minute segundo dito, vale?
Ito yung buko, pre. Oh. Sino? 28.
Kaya kayo tinatama lang, hindi kayo maka-score ng tama ha.
Ayan. Pasok pa o. Parang maliwanag. Ka na, 32 ka na.
Bale, back to the ball game.
Kakabuking ang tuloy dito eh. Cheers, Idol. Idol.
Number 13, same ball. Time remaining 50 seconds. 12 to shoot. Number 1, pass to number 28. Number 28, nakuha ng Ventura. Ventura nakuha ng foul. Number 15, foul. Penalty, vale? 15. First throw para kay Ventura. Basket is good. Second throw. No good. Nakuha number 3. Isa pa lang po. Nakuha ni Ventura. Pass to number 28. Number 28. No good. Pata. Basket good. Nakuha ng bonus shot.
Coach, bawal magsisimanigarin dahil may mga mute.
29 seconds. Bonus shot. No good. Nakuha ni Ventura. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Tumira. Basket. 2 points by number 28.
Sa buhat doon, 7, konyo! Sa buhat doon! Sa buhat doon!
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Basket, basket, basket. Basket, basket, basket. Basket to ka? Basket.
Boss, dito na, boss, hintay dito. Okay, boss, hintay dito. Hintay dito ka. Hintay mo na lang.
Lo primero que no tienes que gritar. Lo primero, no. Yo no te estoy gritando y yo no. Me quiere escuchar. A mí, pero me quiere escuchar. A mí no me grita. No es falta. Sí, ellos están gritando. Vale, de hecho tienes una visión. A mí no me grita. No, pero a mí no me grita. Como me vuelva a gritar, te vale. Entonces, a mí me hablan calmadito. Y me lo dice ellos, lo han empujado. No, ahí no ha habido empujón ni nada. Si vamos por eso
Ay, yung coach principal, ikaw, di ba? Siya, no? Hindi, principal.
Sí.
así sí, vuelve para este. No, no, no. Lo que pasa es que su movimiento no es normal.
Back to the ball. Number 3, pass to number 77. Number 77, tumira, wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Number 20. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Falta. Who's pa rep?
Andyan yung power pa.
Lamig lang kayo. Hey, regal entry.
Ito. Normal mo na lang ta sabi ni Roy.
Hindi ko alam natin paano ikon yan.
Eh. Pero hindi ko alam yan eh. Sige na, hugutin mo na dyan.
Falta. Number 3.
Vale. Stop ko na.
Okay na yan.
Number 15. Tumira ng 3.